Good morning, boys. Good morning to the staff, and good morning to any parents who've joined us. Welcome to our Monday morning assembly. We hope that you had a lovely midterm break and are ready to tackle the rest of the second term. Please will you bow your heads and let us pray. Give me, O God, a sense of responsibility. Give me a sense of responsibility to myself, so that I may never waste the gift which you have given to me. A sense of responsibility to my parents, so that I may do something to try to repay them for all the love and care that they have given to me. A sense of responsibility to my teachers, so that all their patient teaching of me may not go for nothing. A sense of responsibility to my friends, so that I may never disappoint them. A sense of responsibility to the world, so that I may put into life more than I take out. A sense of responsibility to you, so that I may always remember that you loved me and gave yourself for me. Help me remember what I have received, and to use what I have, so to make what I ought to out of this life of mine, which costs so much. This I ask for your love's sake. Amen. Right, boys, the value that we are doing this week is the last Pridwin value, and it is responsibility. And as usual, let's remind ourselves of the 8 Pridwin values. The Pridwin values: balance, collaboration, empathy, humility, independence, leadership, respect, and responsibility. Now, boys, responsibility is such an important value. And I'm going to give you 6 points to take note of in order for you to try and be responsible. And then I'll give you 5 areas of your life where responsibility is so important. So the first is, when you agree to do something, do it. If you let people down, they'll stop believing in you. When you follow through on your commitments, people will take you seriously. The second is, answer for your actions. Don't make excuses or blame others for what you do. When you take responsibility for your actions, you are saying, I am the one who's in charge of my life. And then take care of your own matters. Don't rely on adults to remind you when you're supposed to be somewhere or what you're supposed to bring. You take that responsibility. Be trustworthy. If someone trusts you to borrow or take care of something, take care of it. If someone tells you something in confidence, keep it to yourself. It's important for people to know that they can count on you. Always use your head. Think before you act. Think things through and use good judgment. When you use your head, you make better choices. That shows your parents that they can trust you. And then lastly, don't put things off. When you have a job to do, do it. Doing things on time helps you take control of your life and shows you that you can manage your own affairs. 5 areas that you can focus on in the next few weeks, boys, regarding responsibility. Your health. Make sure that you look after yourself. You eat healthily, exercise. Make sure you get enough sleep. Your things. Look after your belongings. Your environment. Don't litter, recycle, don't waste. And your learning. Learn as hard as you can, and never stop learning. And lastly, your choices. Think before you act, and take responsibility for your choices. And that's the end of our Monday morning assembly. I hope you have a wonderful week, boys. I look forward to seeing you around. Thank you.